Yo, what is up, crew? It's your boy Kiwee here, and today we're gonna do something that I have been seeing a lot more in the groups that I do participate in. Everybody's talking about how you can weigh Shining Fates. I know everybody says that no, there's no weighing like any modern set that's got a code card. What are you talking about? But you know, look at, for example, I mean, this is not weighing. Look at, for example, the McDonald's packs that came out recently. You know, you can shine a light through the back. I learned that after I recorded my video. Shine a light through the back, and then you can see the holo cards at the top, which kind of destroys the entire purpose of having it sealed, huh? But there are a lot of ways and a lot of tricks that people do have to separate packs, etc. And I've noticed a lot more people selling loose packs of Shining Fates already. We're less than a week, all right? We've like literally 4 days. People are cracking the boxes, tins, and everything and selling them. So what I've got here today, I've got the last two of my ETBs. I've got them sealed for you guys, all right, right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to conduct a little experiment of our own. We're basically going to test any weighing theory that there is, all right? The first box, what we're going to do is we're going to crack that bad boy, and then we're going to separate it. Well, not separate. We're going to weigh it as we open it, and we're going to record what comes out of that pack and at what weight. And we're going to try to organize that information in a manner in which we can test it on the second box, if that makes sense to you guys. All right, so we're going to come up with our own theory if there is one to be found. All right, and then we're going to use the second box to validate or test that said theory. All right, so let's roll into the next scene. All right, 2 boxes. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out me opening all of it to save the time. All right, so bam, they're cut. There we go. 10 packs on there. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we're going to do this and how we're going to keep track of this information, everybody. All right, so what we've got here is this beautiful chart made by the one and only Alicia. Thank you very much for this chart. What I've got here is the potential for each pack labeled as follow, which is going to be a holo in the rare spot, obviously, and then a shiny card in the reverse spot or slot, a holo and or amazing rare, because you know you don't really know the difference in potential weights between amazing or shiny. All right, a holo and a regular reverse rare, a non-holo and a shiny, a non-holo amazing rare, and a non-holo and reverse rare, which is definitely not the pack we want. It is a doo-doo pack. All right, but these are going to be the potential 6 outcomes of each pack, and each pack here we've got it organized from 1 through 23. She just put the extra just in case, but 1 through 20. So each pack, we're gonna, after recording its weight, we're gonna put it in the column 1. So pack 1, if it turns out to be a holo and amazing rare, we're gonna put its weight and we're gonna put it in that column at pack 1. After we look at the averages for each one, what we're going to do is basically kind of create a range, okay? And then we're going to test it on the second box. So here's the first 10, okay? Now, I didn't even get my scale, but here we go. Here's the trusty scale, everybody. I use a Triton T3, one of the most accurate, I feel. My opinion, again, guys, you feel free to use your own. But you want something to the hundredths of the gram, all right? Definitely want that. And let's do this. Let's test this out right now and see what comes up. I'm gonna move this off screen for a little bit and just let you guys see this, okay? So what we've got here, 22.55 grams on pack 1. And what we're gonna do is now we're gonna open this pack. So if you guys did follow the stream this weekend, it was really sick. We pulled the Charizard, everybody. Wacky, Gym Trainer, Floatzel, Yanma, Snom, Huffant, Grookey. Oh! Yo! Yes! Yo! Literally, like, I don't know, like 30 something packs in, we pulled the Charizard. It was awesome. It was amazing to pull it on stream, right? So Thwacky, Floatzel, Tropius, Eevee, Gossifleur, Yanma, Snom, Cuffant, Dreadnought, and more Peko VMAX on the first pack, guys. All right, so this is a double for me. So 22.56, pack 1 was a holo and a regular rare, okay? Or, you know, a full art and a regular or reverse rare, sorry. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll into this column. Let me move this off screen to create space. It might be a little bit of a tedious process. It's probably gonna be like a 20-something minute video, but I think it's relatively important. I just want to know, and I'm doing this mostly just to test the information because I don't want some of you guys to get scammed. All right, everybody really wants Shining Fates. The print is so short, like it's just there's not enough product to go around, and I don't want one of you guys to fall prey to somebody who's just like shiny hunting. So pack 1 was a holo and reverse rare at 22.56. All right, guys. Sorry, my 5 suck. Let me fix that for you. 22.56. It is a holo and reverse rare. Okay. So the bigger question is, where am I gonna put these once? Because I don't even have space right now on my desk. But let me just move these over real quick. I've got some more shiny mods. I've actually, like, what you see in my hand is me like sorting things because I don't know what I'm planning for the next giveaway, but I was trying to get stuff together for it. So I thought it'd be kind of cool just to sort through some stuff right now. All right, so I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna put all the comments to the side for now. So 22.56 is numero uno with a full art and a regular reverse rare. Why did this turn off so fast? Charizard art, let's go. And I'm probably going to color organize it for you guys after with a highlighter, just so that you guys can look at it, or it's more visually appealing and easier to follow. Because I know it's hard to see numbers on screen depending on the screen size you're looking at. So Dartrix. Oh, we forgot to weigh this. Literally forgot to weigh this. Eldegoss, Cuffin. Damn, dude. Weasel. But, I mean, we can get it accurate right after. Look at Morpeko and Professor Research. I don't want to lose this example, actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take back this, and I'm just going to add it back. So that one is 21.19. There we go. Pack 2, 21.19, and that yielded a regular reverse holo and a regular rare card. So that is the lowest possible of packs at 21.19 for pack 2. All right. Put this to the side. Let's keep it going. Let's get through this 10. And try to see what we can deduce from the first 10 and see if anything accurate can be brought up to anyone's attention for the second 10. All right, so this one's a little heavier, 22.46. I'm sorry that is a little hard to see. The backlighting on this is kind of annoying. 22.46 for pack 3, and we're gonna see what 22.46 yields us right now. I give away all my code cards. Shining Fates code cards are like 50 cents, man. I need them. Tropius, Luxio, Gym Trainer, Horsey, Cuffint, Choodle, Yanma, Morpeko, Reshiram, amazing rare, and a regular rare Volcanion. So 22.46, we got a regular rare, a non-holo regular rare with an amazing rare, and that was pack 3. We'll do this right here. 22.46, okay? So far the full art card yielded the 22.56 did yield a full art card. So that was our heaviest pack. And that kind of makes sense because it's a lot of like texture and ink happening on a full art card. So that kind of makes a little bit of sense. I mean, if you think about it, because what really made a card heavier back in the day, like especially WotC era, was the holo foil layer, right? So here we go, toxicity 22.44, okay? I'll show you guys the whole chart in the end, all right? I'm sorry, I can't fit everything on the screen here. 22.44 for pack number 4. Excuse me. All right, so Fighting Energy, Rusted Shield, Eldegoss, Cramorant, Morpeko, Eevee, Gossifleur, Yanma, Nom, Professor's Research, and Manaphy. 22.44 yield another doo-doo pack. So pack number 4 was non-holo and a regular reverse at 22.44. So it seems like 22.4 might be like a threshold number maybe to include some type of bumped card. But as you can see, like 22.46 was the minimal so far before we actually hit a good card, which was the Morpeko. Or what was the third pack again? The Amazing Rare, right? Right, yeah, the Reshiram. All right, so 5th pack, here we go. It is at 22.54. So we're going to be expecting something nice out of this one. Hopefully a full art. You know, maybe it'll have like a shiny. But we are expecting, based on just that one, there should be something in here. Like, I know it's not conclusive to just use one pack, obviously. That's why we're using 2 ETBs for this experiment. But there should be something in here based on 22.56 previously. And this being the second heaviest so far, okay? Choodle, Morpeko, Cacnea. Look at it. Look at it. 22.54. And we got a regular holo and a shiny Dracloak. So 2 for 2 in both the slots out of this, in the reverse and the holo slot. Alright. So I hope this has given you a little bit more insight so far. For those of you that are saying, oh, you can't wait because of the code card. The thing is with a code card, it doesn't really matter if the code card's in there, right? If all of them have a code card, the code card's all made of the same material, right? And that there's a difference in the pack, meaning that there is a holo or non-holo pack. Because what's happening is the extra layer into the like actual creation of the card is what's probably the distinguishing factor in the weight, right? So if and only if it was a holo in every pack, you know, could we say then, okay, it's not weighable. But we're gonna see that was 22.44, right? For pack number, or what, 22.54, sorry, for pack number 5, which was a shiny and a holo. 22.54 for pack number 5, right? 22.54, and that was our best producing pack so far. Again, holo Luxio or Luxray and shiny Dracloak. 22.54. So 22.5s guaranteed us something. Oh, I almost didn't weigh this. Getting a little excited there, guys. 22.5s are producing better packs for us, all right? Now, you know, the thing is with like heavy packs, obviously, I'll make sure this is 0. You know, with heavy, determined it based on the entirety of a booster box. But I'm just trying to create an average number for you guys to see so that you can see if it is possible to distinguish these packs from one another, all right? 22.46, pack 6, all right? Let's see what pack 6 gets. We had another 22.46, and it had an amazing rare. So, but also a 22.44 yielded nothing. 22.46 for pack number 6. The other one with that exact same value yielded an amazing rare, and with only a 0.02 difference in weight, we got nothing. Okay, so let's see if this is consistent with something in the reverse holo slot, maybe. All right, so Teemiel, Tal, Cacnea, Horsey, Cuffant, Choodle, Yanma, Thwacky, and Celebi. So this is another bad pack. All right, so pack number 6, 22.46, and that one yielded a non-holo and a regular reverse rare. All right, 22.46. okay, I hope this makes sense to you guys, and you have any questions about what I'm doing, you can always just leave a comment or in the question section down below. Listen, this is just my own experimenting, all right, and trying to, because I don't want to be the person at the bad end of a scam. All right, so let's go pack number 7, 22.46 again. So it looks like these are going to be like the fodder packs in the set or in the box, because you know, like you get like 3 to 4 big hits probably in an ETB if you're lucky. So we've gotten an amazing rare and shiny and a full art already. Pack 7, 22.46. All right, so that is a very common number, it seems. Let's see what we can get out of this. Metal Energy, Gym Trainer, Cramorant, Tropius, Horsey, Spinarak, Rowlet, Morpeko, Nickit, and look, there's shiny Boltund. All right, so it should be, if this is correct, nothing should be behind this card. It should just be this one slot that had a card, and it didn't. So it was only the Boltund here, which matches another 22.46 pack. All right, again, you guys might not think this is proving anything, but again, I'm doing this for myself as well as for you guys, just to test it. If you know, you can't always take everything at face value, especially in this hobby, because there are a lot of scammers. And I think it's just better that I test it myself and prove anything I need to myself before I tell you guys something that's inaccurate. You know, you're basically just watching me do this myself. Okay. All right. So pack number 8. Oh, this might be the heaviest one so far. Pack number 8, 22.5. It's kind of wavering, so I'm gonna take it off and do it once more. It was between 5.8 and 5.7 and 5.6, so it's steady at 5.6 now. So 22.56. Okay, 22.56 has been the highest number we have seen so far. Okay, pack number 8, 22.56. All right, 2, 3, 4. So this should definitely be like a pretty big hit in here, guys. All right, Rotom, according to what we've opened so far. Nickit, Eevee, Gossifleur, Choodle, Morpeko, Cramorant, and look at it, a full art card. I'm telling you, it's possible. It's literally possible. As long as you're not guaranteed a holo in every pack, it is 100% distinguishable between the packs. And it may not be so evident, but it might be a small difference. But what you're seeing here, pack 9, which had a holo and a reverse rare, right? It had the Cramorant, right? Yeah. So pack number, what was that, 8 or 9? That was 8, sorry. Pack number 8 at 22.56. So far, right, we've had 2 22.56 and 1 22.54, and there were hits in all 3 of those. Okay, and it seems like the higher halves of the like 22.4s, like 4, 5 and up, seem to have at least 1. Okay, so it's close, you know, but it seems like 22.5 will be the literal like threshold number so far. We're gonna test it with the next one for sure. All right, so we've got 2 packs left in this first ETB. All right, I haven't pulled nothing crazy out of this ETB. This is pack number 9, 22.59, 5.8. Okay, it froze at 5.8. All right, so yo, we're expecting something dope out of this one. All right, let's do it. Pack number 9, 22.58. I'm sorry, I'm not writing it down because I don't know the column yet, but I just want to remember it, 22.58, so I repeated a couple times. So there should be something big in this one, or at least I think like a full art card. Dartrix, Eldegoss, Grookey, Trapinch, Yanma, Coughing, Morpeko. Look at that, Galarian Corsola. So I still think there should be something here, because the 5s were producing holos plus 1 of the potential others. And look at it. Yo, Cramorant VMAX. All right. So we got a shiny and a full art holo card out of this box, this pack number 9 at 22.58. Okay. So that one we're going to put down as a holo and shiny, 22.58, pack 9. All right, guys, I'm sorry for my handwriting. Bear with me. Trying here. Okay. So the last pack. All right. And let's see if we can kind of gauge it without even like, you know, kind of have a mini test. 22.48. I think this one might have something in just the reverse spot. Or it might be just like, it's just one of them. Like it would either be a holo and reverse rare, or something in the reverse spot and a non-holo card. All right. So only one hit, I'm assuming. 4.8 is higher than the other ones. So hopefully there is something in here. I mean, obviously I'm going to want one. Tropius, Rusted Shield, Morpeko, but probably won't. Horsey, Spinarak, Rowlet, Morpeko, Coughing. Yeah, nothing there. See that? So it looks like literally 22.5 might be it. I kind of want to see if we can get a little bit, like find a pack maybe a little bit closer to 22.5. And this way we can definitively say like, yo, that is the threshold number. All right. So nice. 22.48 at pack 10. Did a non-holo with just a regular reverse. 22.48. So we did get lucky with 122.46, which produced the amazing rare, which just leads me to believe that like, nah, you know, the thing is, the amazing rare has the foils in multiple parts of the card, you know, like the A and the energies. So maybe it's the entirety of the card. I was gonna say maybe it's just like around the holo area, but it doesn't seem to be that way. So what we're gonna do is now for these, we're gonna weigh them straight up and just make our calls, and then after we'll see 22.42. So I'm gonna assume there's nothing in here. Nothing in here, guys. 22.42. So far, what we've been doing is showing consistencies in the number. 22.42 right here. Oh, and there was a shiny. Okay. So what was our last shiny, or what was our last like 4? So out of the, this is gonna be the 5th, like 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 6. Only one had a hit, which was that amazing rare. Okay, so 22.44, and we got a shiny Barraskewda right there. All right, so that's a shiny hit. Kind of looking a little bit all over the place, but at least you know with the 22.5s, you're probably guaranteed something. All right, now what do I need to do with that? Pack number 11 was a regular card, regular rare, and a shiny. So that's going to be right here. Pack number 11, 22.44. All right, pack number 11. Okay, so this is actually moving well. I didn't know what to expect because I've never weighed packs like this before. I've only weighed like vintage stuff. 22.51. Okay, so we're expecting at least one big hit out of it. Guaranteed one nice card out of this one. 22.51. Or 22.51. Luxio, Yao, Tao, Eevee, Gossifleur, Yanma, Snom, Cuffant, Cramorant. Okay, so we got one. The Decidueye holographic. So that was 22.51. Pack number 11, we got a holo and a regular reverse rare. 22.51 for pack number 12. I'm going to be moving it along through these parts. I don't want to take up too much time trying to do this. 22.43. That's a little iffy. I don't know. Maybe we might get something out of this. This is like iffy. You know what's kind of hard for me to give you anything definitive? I didn't weigh anything so far that had like a VMAX shiny Pokemon. You know what I'm saying? Like the works, you know, so I can't tell you anything for sure in terms of that yet. So because I don't have a number to use as reference, right? 22.46, okay. Puffint, so nothing on 22.46. For pack 13, 22.46. Nothing. But you know, the thing is too, when you're weighing heavies, like everybody says, oh, 21 for WotC, stuff like that, you know, and then it's still a maybe, you know, like you need definitive comparable information. So this is 22.39, guys. This is probably one of the lower 22s we've had, right? Yeah, this is the lowest 22 we've had, actually. The other one was 21.19. I don't even know how we hit 21. That was strange. 22.39 for pack 14. $22.39. Be forgetting if I don't repeat it. Floatzel, Rusted Sword, Dartrix, Trapinch, Nickit, Gossifleur, Cacnea, Cuffant, Zarude, and Volcanion. Nothing. So 22.39 gave us nothing. 22.39. Okay. We expected that though. We literally expected that one. $22.35. Huh. There's a lot lighter. So we're expecting nothing from this one as well. Pack 15. $22.35, guys. $22.35. You might have an amazing rare here. Who knows? But like I said, until we do these tests, we won't know anything definitively. We won't know how safe we are buying loose pack. Luxio and Zarude, nothing there again. See that? $22.35, nothing. 15, so we should have 5 left, guys. Let's just double check. 5 left. All right, so we should be getting some stuff out of this because we're up to like the last 5 in this ETB and we didn't really pull much. 22.48. I'm gonna presume there's like an amazing rare shiny in here just because of ratios per box, and that's something completely different than weighing, obviously. But 22.48. I think we're gonna get something in the reverse rare slot, but that's just based on like what I've seen, because we had as you can see, we had 1 amazing rare at 22.46, and we had 2 shinies at 22.44 and 4.6, and this is a 4.8. So I think we're gonna get something in the reverse spot here, just because we haven't gotten much so far. All right, so Rotom, Cacnea, Cuffant, Eevee, Weasel, Yanma. Oh, Team Yell. Oh, we got a holo though. Okay, so that's a little strange actually. That's the first what full holo in the fours. Okay, 2248, but it's the highest one and it produced the holo. 2248. This is 16. 2248. Zeroed. 2243. Full free. This ETB is looking pretty bad on my end though, guys. Tropius, Ball Guy, Morpeko. Hopefully this is something. It might be one spot, reverse spot again. Yep, there it is. Galarian Casola. There we go. So 4-3 produces just the shiny, which seemed to be consistent around the fours. Alright, it was giving us only one card, either or in the holo or reverse spot. 2243 for pack number 17 gave us just a shiny. Okay, 2243. Pack numero 18. Yo, my desk, guys, if you guys see my desk, it's just full of fodder cards. Like, so much bulk. 2263. Okay, 6-1. This is gonna be our biggest hit, guys. So far, supposedly, according to everything we've done, 22.61 to 63 is our biggest number. Before this was 22.58, which had holo and shiny. Okay, so I'm really like, I'm near saying like, yo, I promise there's something in each slot here, or I mean I hope, or there's something big. Luxio, Thwackey, Ball Guy, Rowlet, Eevee, Morpeko, Weasel, Nickit, Score Bunny. Look at that, and both. You see that? Both of them. I called that one too. Both slots. 2261. We got a shiny and a V card. All right, so both slots were filled. So we got holo and shiny for pack 18 at 22.61. Okay. I'm happy I didn't get duplicate shinies. My binder's gonna be looking kind of nice. It's kind of dope. All right, so pack number 19. We're running down our packs here, guys. I will get more. 22.42, guys. 22.42. All right, that's the lower end of the 400s. So 22.42. Maybe something in just a reverse slot or holo slot, but otherwise it would be nothing. It would just be one. It wouldn't be both. Luxio, see, nothing. All right, last pack, guys. 22.42 on 19 yielded nothing. 22.42. We're going to do a little evaluation of the chart after. Ooh, Charizard pack for the end too. Can we get another one? 22.63. 22.63. Yo, best pack for last, guys. Yo, what is it? What is it? This is kind of funny, actually, that the last pack turned out to be the heaviest. It's ironic. Come on, give me the candy. Rusted Sword, Gym Trainer, Thwackey, Yanma, Trapinch, Shinx, Rowlet, Eevee, Swanna, and Greedent. So, yup. Yo, that's kind of crazy. So, 22.63 gave us a shiny and a holo or a V. That's really crazy. I mean, I don't, if this doesn't improve something, I don't know, man. So let's look at it in a little bit. Okay, so really quick, let me just, before I wipe the table of the cards, let me just show you what we got as a shiny haul first. Swanna, Score Bunny, Cursola, Barraskewda, Cursola, wait, what? Oh, Galarian, Cursola, and then Corsola, Bolton, and Dracloak for our V's. We didn't get any shiny VMAXs. That's crazy. Okay, so we got 3 full art cards: Carolus, Morpeko VMAX, and Cramorant VMAX, and then 2 regular V's: Morpeko and Greedent. We got 1 amazing rare, which was Reshiram. I already got that, so we might do a giveaway with that, guys. Stay tuned. Weezing, Luxray, and Decidueye. All right, as our regular holos. And those were our hits. I didn't show you guys the EV promos yet because I just didn't want to waste time. It's just an EV promo. But let's go over this chart really quick. All right, guys. Boom, boom. So here we go. We've got 20 packs on the board. And what I've got here is 3 highlighters. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the lowest being 2219. I'm going to highlight that in pink. Okay. What is our next lowest? It should be 22 what? 39 I think it was. Yep, 2239. Okay. Then I'm going to do 2 from the high end of it, which was 2263. It's so much easier to find actually that I organized this. 2261. Then the next one was 58. And they're all in the same column, which is kind of funny. Well, actually it's not. That just proves consistency. 22.58. All right, so now we're going to take 2 more from the bottom. And I'm just doing this kind of work my way towards the middle. I took 3, so hold on. Let me do a third one. So, oh, we had 22.35. I skipped. Okay, so that one. So that's 3 on the low end. We'll do 2 more on the low end. 22 what? Seems 42, right? So 2242 and 2244. All right, so that's a low, but I kind of want to. I'm gonna mark that as the same thing. Oh, there was a 4-3 here. Shucks. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so let's go with the next few high ones, which is gonna be 5-4, 5-1, 5-6, and then 5-6. And then the rest of them are basically the medians of our weighing. So we're going to call greens our heavy. So let me just write this down. Heavy. We're going to call, what do we call this? Chance, our chance packs for yellow, and our light packs at pink. Okay, and I'm just going to color code it again. Guys, I'm not like by any means like 100% guaranteeing anything. I'm just trying to show you guys what was possible just with my ETBs. Normal person opening up some ETBs and going through them before selling loose packs, right? I don't really sell loose packs, so you don't got to worry about that for me. But again, always try to protect your guys' money, right? So the low end of our green was what? 2251. So 22.51. To the high end of it was 22.63. For our median values, 22.46 to 22.48. And then for our light values, 21.19 to 22.44. And I might adjust this. Hold on. 19 to 22.44. So that one's got a whole 1.25 discrepancy. Huh. See, that's a little iffy. I might roll 22.44 into the yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, there's one more yellow right here. So, okay, it's about even actually. It's just 7, 7, 6. That's all right. All right, we'll leave it as this. All right, so this actually makes a lot of sense in terms of weighing. Because what does this mean, guys? All right, so I'm going to bring the light up here just so you guys can see this a little better. I'm sorry. But what does this really mean here, guys? Okay. I started on my left-hand column. This will continue from here. All right, guys. So looking from left to right, this actually makes a lot of sense. Okay. Now, the thing is, obviously, the greens are good numbers and the yellows and pinks are... Yellows are eh, pinks are bad. Now, what does this mean? Starting from left to right is what was the correlation of the pack. Best to worst. That's making sense. It's matching up. The weights are matching. Okay? They're accurately separating themselves or distinguishing each other from pack to pack. I personally believe that if someone wanted to and they sat there and weighed the pack meticulously, they could actually separate the packs. I did this here in 20 minutes. 20 packs, 20 minutes. This isn't an overall scheme of value to like the overall answer to weighing Shining Fates. Maybe they value from differentiate from prints, okay, like print runs. But just to show you that it is possible to differentiate the packs based on the weights, okay. And I told people personally that maybe I'm wrong, but look, this is just something that I proved. Like, even if I'm like rambling during the video talking like I think this, I think that, there's nothing that separates the fact of what you're seeing on this chart, okay? Literally. There's nothing that can tell you otherwise. You guys saw me weigh the packs, you saw me open the packs, you saw me put the numbers down and then individually distinguish each pack's value with the corresponding type of card in the pack. So I don't think there's anything to discredit what I did. And if there's something there was kind of shady or something that could discredit, please tell me. I'll do it differently in the next video. Again, this is all about like being informative and helping you guys. So it's important for me to know like all the variables. I think I covered all the variables. I had all 6 potential pack outcomes. I had each pack labeled individually. I had recorded weights. I kind of like worked from both ends to balance the numbers to have a average spectrum. You know what I mean? So actually, maybe we should do the average number right now with my phone. So the average of the heavies, 22.57 is the average. So 22.57 is the average for heavy. So for lights, 2.4, we'll say 22.47, we'll round that. 22.47 is the iffy. Maybe grant you 1 hollow spot or a hit in 1 spot. And for the doo-doo packs, we've got, so the average, wow, that was really low actually, 22.24, we rounded up. So those were the averages, all right? I'd say it's safe to say that like if you're 22.5 and above, you're definitely getting 100%, you're getting at least 1 hit. And then if you're in the mid to lower 4s, you're iffy. And if you're in the higher 4s, like 4, 8 and up, you'll 4, 7 and up maybe. But this one, nah, I'm just gonna try to give you guys definitive. 22.5 and up is gonna give you 1 spot. It looks like 100%. Excuse me, a hit. And then we're looking at the 22 4s to be like non-guaranteed anything, but higher 4s obviously being a chance at 1 slot. All right, so we didn't see literally anything above 0.5 like giving anything but both slots hit. It's kind of funny, we didn't get a hollow plus amazing rare. We got the other 2 combinations though. All right, so you guys see what I'm talking about. Now however you choose to use this information is up to you. I'm just here to help you guys with your shiny fates hunting, because I know it's crazy out there right now. You got people fighting and all kinds of nonsense, so let's not do that. But I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel. I do a lot of things on this channel, all right? If you're new here, you know, if you're first time here, thanks for checking out the video. I appreciate the view and you checking out and supporting the channel. Basically, I do everything Pokemon related. I do Pokemon battles, Sword and Shield competitive, starting my new draft league this Friday, first battle, guys. Make sure you tune in. I do TCG openings, obviously. A few market watches. If it's something big, I'd like to share it with you guys. You guys stay on top of it. And then the next thing is just informational videos, how-tos, don't do this, don't do that. Try to protect you guys in any way I can, all right? It's all about helping the community, hoping the crew grows as much as it can, all right? So I do appreciate you guys checking this video out, and I'll see you in the next one. Kiwee out.